Well, I think it's important for us to realize that in life we go through lots of difficulties and hardship. Never give up. That's something I always tell the people, that, you know, giving up is something that's not in our vocab. No matter what, try again and again, even if it means 100 times. One day you will hit the jackpot by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But if you give up, that's the end of the path. So we always need to be hopeful, no matter how negative things were or are. We are hopeful for the present and the future, inshallah.
شكرا لك ربي حمدا لك ربي أحييت روحي وأنرت قلبي.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.